Hello students, today we are going to study English chapter 2 Man's Relationship with Animals part 2. In part 1 we discussed about the animals are always been loyal to man and we saw the story of Arab and his horse and the other story which a great bonding between man and animal has been shown. In this story Pierre Dupins is a wagon driver gets a new white horse to pull his wagon from his milk company. The horse was gentle and kind. The routine of milk delivery in the Prince Edward Street starts with this splendid combination. The new horse Joseph gets so much accustomed to the routine that Pierre boasts of him that he never touches his reins. Joseph stops a horse, allows Pierre to get down and deliver the milk, and then they skip two horses and the third one. In this way, they used to deliver the milk to each place. See, such a beautiful story of them. Moving ahead, the story will read. Driving his Joseph every day, he said that Jacques, we are two old men. We are two old men, Joseph and I. Let us wear out together. When Joseph is ready to retire, then I too will leave. See in this, but see with the story continuation, Pierre he refused to retire. He could not bear the thought of not driving the Joseph every day. He was not able to bear this thought. So he said to Jacques, we are two old men. See, we both are two old men, Joseph and I. Let us wear out together. Let us move out together in this manner. When Joseph is ready to retire, then I too will leave. See, when the Joseph will retire, at that time I too will leave. Jacques, who was a kind man, understood. In this, Jacques understood there was something about Pierre and Joseph which made a man smile tenderly. Yeah, there was a bonding between them which make a man smile tenderly means softly, lovingly. It was as though each drew some hidden strength from the other. They were having the strength of each other. When Pierre was sitting in his seat and when Joseph was hitched to the wagon, neither seemed old. Yeah, when he was sitting and he was hitched to the wagon, means hitched to means he was fixed to a rope or a hook in that with the horse. So with this, when the pair was sitting in his seat and when Joseph was hitched to the wagon, neither seemed old. But when they finished their work, Pierre would limp down the street. Yeah, he would limp down his street, the street, seeming very old indeed. The horse head would also drop and he would walk very wearily to his stall. See, in this while moving ahead, that it has been said when the Pierre was sitting in his seat and when Joseph was hitched by the wagon, neither seemed old. They were not seeming at all old. But when they finished their work, when their work was over, Pierre would limp down the street. He would limp down the street, seeming that he is old enough now. The horse head would also drop, and the head of the horse drops, and he would walk very wearily to his stall. Then one morning Jacques had a dreadful news from Pierre. He said, Pierre, Joseph did not wake this morning. He said that Joseph is not waking up this morning. He was very old. He has become old. Pierre, you know, he was 25. That is 25 years. And that is like 75 for man. And compared to that, the same that 25 age of a horse is same like as 75 for the man. Yes, Pierre said slowly. I am 75. He said, yes, I am 75. Now I shall never see him again. Now I won't be able to see him again. My poor Joseph. He was in a grief. He was in a sadness mood. My poor Joseph. Jacques patted Pierre on the shoulder. He patted to the on his shoulder. Well, find another horse. just as good as Joseph. Now you have to find another horse just like a Joseph. Why, in a month's time you will teach him your route. In a month you will also teach him the route to deliver the milk. We will, he said. But he stopped when he looked into the pair's eyes. And he stopped while saying will. So he stopped and he looked into the Pierre's eyes. For years, Pierre has worn a heavy cap. From the years he was wearing the cap on his head, the peak of which came low over his eye, and the peak of that was coming over his eyes. Now, when Jacques looked into the Pierre's eyes, he saw something which startled him. He saw something that was startled him, means to surprise him. He was suddenly in a shock. Okay, what is that? He saw a dead, lifeless look in them. He saw something dead and lifeless. The eye were mirroring the grief. The eye were mirroring the grief, and that was in Pierre's heart and in his soul. It was that his eyes was like a mirroring grief. There was a grief, sorrow, and his heart and his soul. It was though his heart and soul has died. It feels like that its heart and soul is dead. Take today off, Pierre. Jacques said, take a leave today, he said. But before Jacques could complete his sentence, Pierre was already limping down the street. He limped down the street. Tears were streaming down his cheek and he was sobbing and he started crying. There was a warning yell from the driver of a huge truck, and as he was sobbing and streaming, and there was a warning. The truck was coming and he was warning yell was being given. He gave a horn to hear, but coming fast from the other way, huge truck, and there was a scream of brakes and the brake, and he kept a brake, but it appeared that Pierre had heard neither, and he saw that he was not able to hear it. 5 minutes later, an ambulance doctor said, and after that, they called the ambulance, and the doctor came, and he said, he is dead. He was no more. Jacques and several of milk wagon driver had arrived by then, and at that moment many other milk wagon and Jacques they came and they arrived near them. They looked down at the still figure. They were just looking at down the Pierre's body. I couldn't help it. He was saying I was not able to help it. The driver of the truck protested. The driver of the truck opposed it, and he expressed a strong disagreement for it, that I'm in a grief that I couldn't help him out. He walked right into my truck. He came inside my truck. He never saw it. I think so. He had not seen it. He walked into it as though he were blind. I feel that he was blind. He walked into it. He felt so. The ambulance doctor bent down. Then the ambulance doctor arrived there, and he bent down. Blind? He said, looking into the Pierre's eyes. He saw in his eyes. Of course, the man was blind. Then the doctor said, yes, he was blind. See those characteristics. He has a characteristics. See, that means there is in the eyes a medical conditions in which the lenses of the eyes become opaque. Cataracts means this man has been blind for 5 years. He said this man was blind from since 5 years. Then he turned to Jacques and said, you say he worked for you. You were saying that he worked for you. Didn't you know that he was blind? No. Jacques said softly, no, I don't know anything. Was he blind? Today I came to know. None of us knew. Nobody was knowing this. There was only one who knew, a friend of his, and only one friend he might be knowing this. Name was Joseph. He was knowing that he was a blind. His friend Joseph horse. Joseph is a horse. It was a secret, and it was a secret, I think, just between those two, and this was a secret between the both of them, his horse and Pierre. Such a beautiful story between them, a horse and Pierre, and his loyalty towards the man. animals are really a loyal to an human being. Thank you.